Okay, so we get to the second part of this question. So as you can see, what I've done here, or hopefully what you can see what I've done here, is this is the cost of this rate, this is the cost of this rate. So all I've done is added the two costs together, so this will be the final cost. Okay, and I've kept it in pence. I know it's a massive number, but I've kept it in pence because it suits our purpose. Now if we go to our resource sheet, he wants online billing. Now if he has online billing, he gets a 6% discount. Okay, now what I could do is find 1% of this, then multiply that by 6, that would give me 6%, and then subtract it. Now that's a lot of work. I'm hoping that you would know that if he gets 6% discount, he's only going to pay 94% of this. And you should know that 94% is 0.94. Okay? 25%, 0.25. So 0.94 is 94%. So if I multiply 0.94 by this number, then that will give me the actual amount that he would have to pay, rather than doing this long-winded calculation of finding 1% multiplying by 6. Okay, so if I go to my calculator, you can see here I've got this number here. So if I now multiply this number by 0.94, okay, I then get a final answer of 46499. So 46499 point, as I said, sorry about darting backwards and forwards, 929776. So we have 929776. Now remember, this is in pence. Okay, so what we need to do now is convert this to pounds. So we divide by 100. Now you could use your calculator, but we just need to move the decimal point back 2 more times. Okay, so this will give us in pounds. Now we would get 460. Now this 9 could be rounded up. Okay, but because we're dealing with such a tiny amount here, I wouldn't worry too much about that. I would just move the decimal point back 2 places. So I will be quite happy with £469.99. If I rounded this, it would click this over, click this over, click this over, so we would have £465. But I would leave it at this. Okay, so this would be the final bill. Okay, so I'm going to stop at this point because we now have to check and prove